Unlock the secret to creating captivating color grades in Lightroom that mimic the power of Photoshop's gradient maps, and then save them for endless creativity. While Lightroom doesn't have a direct gradient map tool, we can achieve similar nuanced tonal and color shifts using a combination of powerful adjustments. First, let's establish our base mood by tweaking the white balance and then adjusting the main tone sliders, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to define our image's overall contrast and luminosity. Now, for the magic that truly brings out that gradient map effect, split toning by adding specific color hues to your highlights and shadows, you can create a beautiful, gradual blending of colors across your image's luminosity range. Experiment with complementary or analogous colors to achieve different emotional impacts. Think golden hour glows or moody, cinematic blues. To refine our color story even further, head to the Calibration Panel. Here, you can subtly shift the hues of your primary colors. This allows for incredibly precise control over your image's overall color palette, pushing it towards a specific aesthetic without oversaturating. Think of it as fine-tuning the color blend across your entire image. Finally, for ultimate control over your tonal shifts, dive into the HSL color panel and strategically adjust the luminance of individual colors. This lets you darken or brighten specific color ranges in your image, creating targeted luminosity shifts that truly sculpt light and shadow, mimicking the precise control of a gradient map. Once you've perfected your unique color combination and tonal shifts, save it all as a preset. This allows you to apply your custom gradient map effect to future images, ensuring consistency and saving you valuable editing time. Just click the plus icon in the presets panel and choose Create Preset. With these tools, you're not just adjusting colors, you're crafting sophisticated color stories and dramatic tonal shifts, creating unique and powerful visual narratives for your photography.